Welcome back, guys. John here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a strong buy. Now, this company is Essex Property Trust, or ticker symbol ESS. Right now, it's trading at $231. And as you can see, before the pandemic, it was actually 40% in appreciation over a 5-year period. Now, this is a good opportunity to buy in on this company. So I'm going to go over some of the fundamentals. I'm going to go over the dividend it pays out, and I'm going to go over why I think this company is a strong buy. And it starts right now. So Essex Property Trust operates real estate investment trust, but what's cool about this company is that it basically rents to like tech heads, like people that work at Amazon, people that work at Google and Facebook, literally live in these apartment complexes that they have. There's one in Northern California, Southern California, and I believe in Seattle or San Francisco, something like that. And they have a $15 billion market cap with a 25 PE ratio, which I just love. That's awesome. And a 3.5% dividend yield. Now, this company has dropped off tremendously, but it was trading at $329 in February of 2020. Now it's seen some good recovery from 203 up to about 254, which isn't too bad, but there's still room for it to grow. Now, this company is a 29% buy rating out of 21 ratings, but it has a 57% hold. And if you guys want, you could pause the video here and look at what the bulls and bears are saying and read them. But basically, I believe this company is strong because of these major tech heads that live in these apartments. They have plenty of money to pay their rents, and a lot of them are at home where they live because they're working from a remote location like their home because they can't work at some of the companies there, and so they're staying home, they're paying their rent, and that's good. So their earnings per share right now is at $3.40, which is amazing. That's a great earnings per share to have. And remember, this is a REIT, so they have to pay back 90% of their income in dividends. So their annual dividend rate right now is $8.31 for an annual dividend yield of 3.58%. They have a target price point of $267, and this came out January 10th, 2021. So this just came out yesterday, and they're saying it's a $267 price point. Now it is only at $231 currently, which means it has the potential to go up another $66, plus getting your $8 in dividend income. They're paying out right now. The ex-dividend date is or was December 31st. They're going to pay $2.07 on the 15th of January. So just in a few days, they're going to pay that out. And this is a company that's increased its dividend 100% in the last 10 years. Even on this, it says back from 2013, it was only at $1.21, and they have been paying consecutively since then, and also increasing the payout. Now, if we go to the street rating again, pretty cool here. It's saying a price change of positive 10% in the last 3 months. That's awesome. Still down about 21 cents for the year. Last quarter, they made just not very much in revenues, but again, it's gonna bounce back. I mean, this is a company that has a lot of money. They could hold themselves for a long period of time through all this crazy stuff that's happening. Some of their major highlights right here would be their earnings per share declined by 25%, but their bottom dollar or bottom line earnings has gone from 6.67 versus 5.9, so that's actually gone up quite a bit. Quite a bit of improvement there, and then also their earnings is at an $1.22 compared to $6.67. So their earnings per share is definitely going up. They have 36% gross profit margin right now, which is pretty fantastic, and a net profit margin of 18%, which is saying for a subsector it's pretty average. Their debt to equity ratio is a 1.10, and some of their sector highlights would be that the street quant rating is currently tracking 284 companies in real estate rentals sector for a total of 1.6 billion in market capitalization, as well as 322 billion in annual sales. Now this one is at 231. Market cap's 15 billion. Earnings per share is 25. Net sales is, of course, the 1.6 billion, and their net income is $601 million in net income. That's pretty amazing. Last but not least, let's take a look at this stock at a glance from the street rating. They have a growth. Their factors are growth, 4 out of 5 stars, which is just awesome. They are scoring better than 70% of the stocks that the street rates. Total return is only 2 out of 5 compared to 30% of other companies. 3 out of 5 stars for efficiency, 4 out of 5 stars for price volatility, and 3.5 out of 5 stars for solvency. 4.5 out of 5 stars for income. So this is why I love this company, because that's what you're going after if you're looking this company up, is for those sweet dividend payments. So this company's dividend is actually 80% higher than the companies that the rating tracks. So pretty cool things from this company. It's called Essex Property Trusts. Its ticker symbol ESS, and if you haven't bought now, it is a fantastic opportunity to buy. They're saying it's going to go up to 367, and it's been at a high of 329. So that's not bad at all. There's definitely, or 267 is their target price, 267, but they had a all-time high of 329 right now, which is pretty awesome. It has plenty of room. This stock could double, and I believe that's why it's a strong buy. So if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Click that little bell for all the future videos coming out. You guys have a great day.